The Tennessee Department of Health, I should say, says school-age children should be able to get their first shot of Pfizer vaccine in the next 4 to 6 weeks. That's a big development. Dr. Lisa Piercy, the health commissioner, included that information in her COVID update since Pfizer submitted the initial COVID vaccine trial data for kids ages 5 to 11 to the FDA today. News 4's Joylyn Bukovac was watching this news conference where Dr. Piercy was kind of cautiously optimistic. But there's one way to end the pandemic effectively here.
Yeah, that's right. Dr. Piercy says the way for this pandemic to end is by getting the unvaccinated population vaccinated. Dr. Piercy says with COVID cases leveling off and some people receiving booster shots, medical staff members are also boosting an immune response through monoclonal antibodies. State health officials spent the entire month worrying about the supply of monoclonal antibodies, but clinics have had enough so far. Dr. Piercy says any medication should still be prioritized for those at high risk.
The only prohibition, absolute prohibition that we have and that any of our providers are following is that it cannot be used for post-exposure prophylaxis. So that basically is somebody is exposed, but they haven't tested positive yet. That is the only absolute prohibition, and hopefully I'm optimistic that supply is going to hold and that we're not going to have to do any other prioritization for the foreseeable future.
And keep in mind, vaccine boosters are available to anyone who had their last dose of Pfizer at least 6 months ago.
Joylyn, thank you.